Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? Today, we're going to be talking about Myro. Listen, there has been panic set around Myro. And listen, I get some of it, but at the same time, I'm personally not phased by a few things. I just want to say this right away, okay? Because I saw a comment saying that, hey, I'm promoting this coin so I can sell on you guys. First of all, okay, let's just get this. Just okay. Listen, if you think I have that type of power where I can move 100 million market cap coin to sell on my like 2,800 snipers, then man, I'll take that compliment, right? I wish I could move 100 million market cap coin, and I wish we had so much influence. Imagine the 2,800 snipers and myself could move a coin like Myro. Wouldn't that be fantastic? I mean, like, come on, guys, seriously, like, that's not how it works. Okay, that's not. I don't have 2 million subscribers pumping like some 5 million market cap coin. Okay, we're talking about a big boy. Okay, 100 million market cap is fairly big, and I'm a little boy. Okay, so no one's moving anything. It's just impossible, and I'm not. The last thing I'd ever do is sell on my viewers because that's just scammy, scummy, and I don't like that type of behavior because I wouldn't want that to happen to me. So now let's get a little bit more serious, right? So the one thing that concern people are pretty much that Myro is not that active on the social media. And that is true. That is a little bit worrisome for the coin because they really should. And if they were, this coin could be seeing more success potentially. Now, you know me that I'm a big person and I love the pretty much fundamentals. Okay. Sorry, not the fundamentals. I do love the fundamentals, but the technicals. Okay. So you can see I have some notes written down here, which is actually part of my Discord. So here you go. Here's some freebie, but I do have many notes for many other coins. So if you're interested in Discord, you can join. If not, all good. Thank you for the support on YouTube. But as we can see, Myro is consolidating. Okay, what does that mean? That means something is going sideways, ready to explode. Now, until I see confirmation that Myro is dead, I'm not going to think it's dead. We talked about Myro, how it likes going into specific candles. Okay, it literally has gone into specific candles multiple times, and it has recovered multiple times as well. Okay, so that is the thing. Now, we could potentially see Myro go a little bit lower if Bitcoin decides to flash crash and drop everything, but that is an anomaly. I'm not really going to count that, but we will talk about that, I guess, for a little bit, just in case you guys want to have a buy limit on this coin. But overall, the whole main point is that Myro is in hell. Okay, Myro is in hell. We've seen coins be in hell where they just kind of go sideways for a while. They just kind of accumulate. They go down. They go up. They go sideways, and then eventually they explode. I already said with Myro, once Myro breaks out of the 14-cent range, it can actually hold it. Then we should fly high to 26 cents. Okay, we see that this is actually a huge area, and that overall, if we go on the weekly, there's a good amount of imbalance until we get to this weekly candle. And there's also that resistance here. So, double confirmation that we will slow down over there. Now, can Myro reach all-time highs? Most definitely. So that would still be roughly 4.5x from here. Can Myro create new highs and hit $1 or two? I believe it still can. Now, just to clarify, I don't hold a lot of Myro. Okay, I don't. I hold, I don't know what percentage it is, but it is definitely not the biggest percentage in my portfolio. My main coin is Render. My main coin literally is like 50%. Render is like 50% of my portfolio. And then we go down to some other coins like we talked about, like some Pangolin, Caspa, all these other coins that I constantly talk about on my channel. They hold bigger portions. But Myro, it just holds maybe like 0.5% to 1.5. I don't know the exact numbers. So, if this does come out a loser, I'm okay with it. Because I understand meme coins are risky overall and things can go sour. Okay. Just to put that out there. But, one of my conviction plays, which may be, stubbornness from my but it's also like the experience in the market is that when retail comes in, the reality is they just look for what's cheaper and what's going to be the next 10, 20, 30x. And I do believe Myro can be that coin. It is still one of the top dog coins, and right, and it has a lot of history. And I would not be surprised if there's going to be more activity while altcoin season starts breaking out. So, that is just my personal opinion. I'm not telling you, you have to have the same opinion as me, right? I'm a big believer in the technicals. So, right now, in the technical analysis, nothing suggests this coin is dead in a rug pull. If we definitely go over like or below 6 cents, I believe this coin is done for. If we go below 6 cents, I believe this coin is done for. But at the moment, there's nothing that suggests that. Okay. Anyways, I'm going to read out my notes that I had for my private community, and this will be public for you guys. So, just a little sneak peek, right? Just I do constant updates on multiple coins. So, sometimes I don't upload a certain coin for a couple of days. So, if you want to have a peace of mind, like I said, you can just join the community. Anyways, looking for the new weekly candle to close anywhere above 8 cents. Next weekly candle should be a buy candle as history has proven for that to be the case. Myro is in a consolidation zone. Once it breaks above 15 cents, it will start moving fast. So pretty much exactly what I said, right? Pretty much exactly what I said. We can see Myro has big red candles, and just right after it has a few green big candles. So if it closes anything above, like I said, 8 cents, the current zone that it tapped to, the current consolidation zone, it tapped to in the current order block, it tapped into, then we should be fine, right? We should be fine. Um, higher time frame doesn't look the most prettiest compared to some coins. On the 6 month candle, it is pretty weak, and the yearly is whatever. Like I said, things can turn around. Don't over leverage, or don't put too much money into one basket, especially meme coins. I am personally risking a lot of my personal money and, I guess, net worth into crypto, like over 95%. I'm going full on risk in terms of how much money I'm putting in, but I'm doing it to calculated coins like Render, AKT, some into Turbo and other coins that we talked about on the channel. And yeah, I mean, like I said, Myro fails, it fails. If not, it is even better for me and anyone that's invested in this coin. So that is it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you have any concerns, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll try to be answering everybody, right? Listen, all I want to say, ah, gosh, that was I turned I turned into I turned very fruity there for a second. I'm leaving that in. So if you made it to the end of that, if you made it near the end of the video, you got a nice little comedic little clip. All right. But listen, it was the same thing with Render. People were scared, right? People were like, Render is dead. And once again, I know Render is a much better play than Myro. Okay. It's an AI coin. It's proven to be with multiple companies. It's going to do much better than Myro in terms of, just being here in this ecosystem we call crypto. But people did bandwagon and say Render is done for when all it was doing was just doing what it had to do in terms of price action. So that's all I'm going to say. Okay. Anyways, I love you all so, so much. Thank you for everything, guys. Thank you for 2,800 subscribers. And I'll talk to you guys next time.